Using a 7/16 socket, we're going to go ahead and remove the nut on the back side of our marker light. Once that's loose, you should be able to reach back there and spin that right off. Now what you want to do is grab your marker light and pull it straight out towards you. Let's go ahead and pull the light out. Let's go ahead and twist our bulb socket and pop that out like that. Now we want to go ahead and disconnect our electrical connector from the bulb housing itself. There's two little tabs. I'm going to go ahead and open those up just a little bit. Go ahead and work that connector off. Once we have that off, we're going to go ahead and remove our bulb. You can simply pull that straight out. Take our new socket, go ahead and install your bulb, line that up, snap that into place. Good, line up our connector here. Slide that on. Both of your connectors will snap into place. Reinstall the socket. Rotate that in and lock it into place, and then reinstall your marker. Go ahead and get that nut installed on the back. We'll snug that down by hand. You want to tighten that down. Just snug it gently. Once you feel that bottom out, you're pretty much good. You're all set.